So when you're rounding numbers and decimals in this case, it's always important to decide which two numbers does the number come between. So for example here, which two numbers does 4.1 come in between? What are the possibilities for rounding? So I'm going to complete the number line first to help me do that, and then I'm going to complete my sentences. So on this number line, I got 4.1 and 4.7. So that tells me that these come in between 4 and 5. Okay, let's look at the second number line. On this number line, I got 12.2 and 12.6. So I know that these numbers come in between 12 and 13. So now this is going to help me to round the numbers to see what number it's closest to when I'm rounding. So I'm going to choose one of these decimals, and I'm going to go with this first one. I'm going to say 4.1. And then I'm going to use the number line to help me complete it. So 4.1 is closer to 4 than it is to 5. So 4.1 rounds to 4 to the nearest whole number. But this time I'm going to choose an example from the second number line. And I'm going to choose this one here, 12.6. So I'm going to write in here 12.6. Just make this box bigger. 12.6 is closer to, let's have a look. So 12.6 here is closer to 13 than it is to 12. Here is the middle. Here's 12.5. Now remember, that would also round up if it's in the middle point, but 12.6 is past the middle. So it's closer to 13 than it is to 12. So 12.6, this box bigger again, rounds to 13 to the nearest whole number. So when you're rounding numbers, the first thing you consider is what two numbers is it in between? Your next decision is, do you round it up or do you round it down? So if the decimal is 5 or higher, you're going to be rounding up. But if it's lower than 5, you're going to be rounding down.